Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel. I got my first beauty edit box from FABFITFUN. Y'all, this has been out for a few months now, and I haven't tried it yet. It's 4 full-size products for $29.99, and that includes the shipping as well. It's a monthly box as opposed to FABFITFUN's lifestyle quarterly box. So this you buy by the month. I don't see any discounts by, trying to buy 3 or 6 or 9 months or anything like that. You can't. I don't see that you can do that. You buy 1 month at a time, which is really nice though, because then you can cancel anytime. If you don't like what they're showing for the next month, you just can cancel. And then if you like what they're showing for the following month, you can jump right back in. So that's really nice. So it's $29.99. And y'all, I get FABFITFUN, the lifestyle box, the quarterly box. And usually what I do every year is after my year is up, I cancel. And then I look for a really great deal to try to get some bonuses when I sign back up. So that's what's happening right now. The summer box was my 4th quarter. So I'll sign up again for fall. So in the meantime, we get these points from shopping or whatever, and I had $12.67 of points, and I wasn't sure if that would stay in my account if I leave and come back. So I decided to spend it. So in the last sale, in one of the last sales, the $29.99, I used my $12.67 points, so I paid $17.32 for 4 full-size items. So y'all, this is, let me show you. This it's really well worth it, no doubts. But I'll tell you some reasons why it's not my favorite thing. But let's open it up and see. This got a big gash in it. It's too bad because it's a nice box. It's bigger than a lot of other boxes, like it's a little bit longer, so it would be a great giveaway box, but with that big hole, I don't know that I could use it. It says Your Glow Up. It says curated in California. And it's cute, cute design and all. And I did cut it open, and it says Beauty Box Ooh La La. And then they always have, FABFITFUN always has these kinds of things in here. And then my 4 products. So with my first, you get 4 choices, and you get like 3 to 4 items per choice. And let me tell you what was in the first choice. Okay. The first choice, I could have gotten Molten Brown Shower Gel, which I love Molten Brown. I won a Molten Brown advent calendar. I think it was 2024. Fabulous. And that's how I was introduced to Molten Brown. I had heard the name before, but I've never been able to afford anything from it. It looks really crooked back there. Well, I can't fix it right now, y'all. And then there was a First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Face Lotion, which we know that's a great product line. And then Thrive Cosmetics, there was a highlighter. And also this, what I got was the Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench Hyaluronic Jelly Moisturizer. Now, I'm not real big on jelly moisturizers, but it is summertime. So I thought I might get it. I love Peter Thomas Roth products, hair care and skincare. And I didn't really pay attention to it very much, because I do, gels are nice in the summertime, but this does say on the package, for normal to oily skin. So my skin is normal. I'd say my skin is normal, but if I had to say, I'd say it's probably normal to dry because of my age. So when you open this up, it's nicely packaged in there. This is what it looks like. It's the Water Drench Hyaluronic Jelly Moisturizer. Clinical skincare, hyaluronic acid complex, and all that. Really pretty packaging. And this is $50 value. So $29.99 for the box. I only paid $17.13, and $50 value right here. So when you open it, it has one of these. I'm going to leave this for now. But oh, this is a nice jar. Really nice jar. It has one of these pull tabs, which is great. Well, we can look at it. I think it'll be okay. And it has a little bit of an alcohol scent. It's not offensive, but it is definitely gel looking. So in the summer when it's really hot, this might be really nice and comfortable. I do get a little oily around my nose in the summer, so I might, you know, I'm not opposed to trying it. Definitely not. So now let's go to category 2, and I will then explain. In category 2, we could choose Thrive Cosmetics, a highlighter, a highlighter, or Bumble and Bumble, a hair rinse. Bumble and Bumble is a hair product line. I've known about it since my early 20s, and it's a great product line. And I really like it, but I didn't need that product. And then also Kosas, Blush is Life. This is what I got. So you see how there's a couple of the same products. Thrive Cosmetics. As we go through, you're going to see there's 3 or 4 brands, and they just give you different products from the same lines. So that's nice if you want to collect a bunch of stuff, you know, from a certain line or whatever. But this is a blush, and Kosas is, it's, of course, this is sealed. Is this sealed? Okay. It has a seal on it, but not this. Yeah, it does. It has a seal. So let me cut the seal. It's called Blush is Life, and it's in the color, well, Blush is Life Heartbeat. This says warm peach. You know, I didn't pick the warm peach. So I didn't pick the warm peach. I'm pretty sure I picked the pink one is the Heartbeat one, and they sent me the wrong one. Kosas is a clean makeup company, so it's a nice thing to have. It's clinically proven, dermatologist tested, safe for sensitive skin, hypoallergenic, non-comedogenic, talc-free, fragrance-free, gluten-free, vegan, cruelty-free. I can't get it out of here. Free of mineral oil, silicones, fragrance, parabens, sulfates, and phthalates. So it's good for you. It's very pretty, and this is what she looks like. It looks like a baked formula. Hey, you know, this is really pretty. I won't complain about it, but peaches and me aren't my, you know, I'm more for pink for a blush than peach. But this is really beautiful. It really has a few, you know, it's a baked product, and it has a few things going on there, so it's very pretty. And I love this compact. Is really pretty. No mirror. We don't need a mirror. Mirrors go in the trash, and we don't need them. So that is valued at, got it right here, $29. And then my third choice was I could choose from Bumble and Bumble, again a hair product, a mousse, hair mousse, Thrive Cosmetics. Now it's not cosmetics, it's cosmetics. They're an eye brightening stick, which was, you know, like an eyeshadow, but eye brightening. So, and then also Kosas, the weightless lip color. This is in Rose Water. I chose Rose Water, and there was Rose Water and Stardust, and I chose Rose Water. And it says a clean, comfy, satin, smooth lipstick with super nourishing, long-lasting color in a single swipe. So it's beautiful. I'm pretty sure I have a Kosas lippy. This is so pretty. Look how pretty it is with the blush. Their packaging is very nice. It's a magnet closure, which is great. And this is what she looks like. It's beautiful. Wow, it's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. That is one of my favorite colors. I think a lot of people can wear this color. It has a thing on it. I didn't knock into it, so that must have happened when it was coming out of there. Like a little, maybe. It's like I hit it with the cap, but it was in there, so I'm not sure what happened. But anyway, it has a little thing on it. A little mark on it, so I'm not sure about that. Anyway, well, let's just swatch it, because I'm going to keep it. This is a $26 value. And I'm pretty sure I have a Kosas lipstick. I just can't remember where it is or what color it is right now. I hope it's not this color. But that's gorgeous. That is gorgeous. So I was going to tell y'all what I'm wearing, too. I'll tell you at the end. But that's beautiful. $26. And then my fourth choice was First Day Beauty again. but now we have the Radiance face pads, facial pads. And then Kosas again, a lip liner, or Peter Thomas Roth product. And this is the Water Drenched Hyaluronic Whipped Cream Cleanser. So I thought I'd get something a little bit different. Peter Thomas Roth is good bougie stuff. $34 for this, y'all. And this comes out like whipped cream. So pretty exciting cleanser. So that means it's going to be pretty mild. It says it's a lightweight, hydrating facial cleanser that transforms from a whipped cloud to a creamy lather to remove makeup, dirt, and impurities. So that's what it looks like. And then here, it looks just like whipped cream, y'all. Okay. So that's pretty cool. So $34 value for that. So my box, $29.99 is what it would cost. Shipping is free. $139 value. So that's really great. And we got the Kosas blush. We got the gorgeous Kosas lippy. We got the Peter Thomas Roth jelly moisturizer, hyaluronic jelly moisturizer, and the whipped cream cleanser. So really great deal. Really great deal, y'all. I love that lipstick. It's beautiful. I was going to tell you what I'm wearing real quick on my lips. I have this from CLE, the melting lip powder. This stuff is phenomenal, y'all, because this is powder. It's powder. It goes on with a doe foot, and it is powder. And then when you put it on, the minute it touches your lips, I guess because your lips have moisture, it go, you know, well, I don't know, my hand has moisture too. It feels great, stays on. It's really interesting. I got that in my Goldie box. Love that. It's beautiful. And then on my eyes, you can't really see this blouse, but because the top of this is so dark, but this has 3 different levels to it. So I wore this eyeshadow. This is the Natasha Denona Retro Glam Palette. And this is what she looks like. So that's what I have on. So I hope y'all enjoyed this box. This is my first box. I did receive this, I received this on Monday night. And was it, I don't know what day is what. No, I received it on Tuesday night. I'm sorry, I've got something in my eye. And I didn't have any power at my house on Tuesday from like 2 o'clock on. So it came on later. So I did not get to record this until tonight, which is Tuesday night. So you'll be seeing this on Wednesday. So I ordered it like the May 10th or something. And I don't know why. It just sat and sat and sat. I even asked FABFITFUN about it. Well, we have a label created, blah, 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 whatever. You know, that they just give you the same old song and dance. Finally, it started to move, finally. So I just got it on Tuesday, which was June 2nd, right? No, today's Tuesday, so I got it Monday. Y'all don't know what day's what. I got it on June 1st, and I'm showing it to you on June 3rd. But it is the May box. So on the 1st of the month, I think it was, they did send me an email about June. They sent some spoilers, and then June 1st, you customize. And I did not, I canceled, because although this is really nice, I get too many other things. And the spoilers were great, but they weren't, they're stuff I already have. So, you know what I mean? So, but it was fun to get it for this reduced price, and I'll probably do it again. If I collect some more of those points, I'll do it again. So y'all take care and count your blessings. And I'm so good to see you. Hope you're having a great week so far. Bye-bye.